Dear students, previous class we have discussed about macro environment factors. We have only discussed about economic environment, political environment, socio-cultural environment, technological environment, and legal environment. In this class, we have discussed the remaining environment factors such as natural environment, demographic environment, and international or global environment. Where let's discuss them one by one. First one, natural environment. Natural environment means the living, all living and non-living things of naturally. Then natural environment includes geographical and psychological factors that influence on the business operations. Natural environment includes climate changes, awareness about pollution, location, weather, available of natural resources. So, climate changes. Natural environment depends on the climate changes of the on business. So, then awareness about pollution. So, business is a concern for the environment or concern about the society, concern about the living in a society or animals. So it's also business is concerned about environment because don't we have pollute the our environment. So because of aware the pollution, so such as air pollution ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, sound pollution, etc. Then location. Location is one of the important part of business. So because location is very important in this thing. So locations such as forest or inside of city, etc. Weather. Weather is the changes of the atmosphere. Weather is the changes of atmosphere. It may be rainy season or winter or summer, etc. Available of natural resources. In this natural resources, so we are consume the natural resources of the optimum utilization of the natural resources. Don't waste of the natural resources. The natural environment, a business needs to know its natural environment well in order to take advantage of its natural surroundings. So it's may be natural environment. It's take the advantage of business. Don't take the disadvantage in the nature. Then another one is demographic environment. Demographic means a study of a population. It means a study of a population. Then what do you mean by demographic environment? The demographic environment means it refers to human population characteristics that surrounding of a firm or nation. Demographic environment includes the population of a country, literacy rate, birth and death rate, age classes, standard of living, occupation, religion, rural and urban, so etc. So in this includes population of a country. So every 10 years once we are conduct the population survey. ಸೊ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 2011ನಾಗ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 2021ನಾಗ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ವೆ. ಸೊ 2011ನಲ್ಲಿ 121 crores ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 135 crores of population our country. Then literacy rate, how many educated females, how many educated and males are how many educated. Birth and death rate. How many babies born in a country? Then death rates. How many died in the year? Then age classes. We are dividing the babies, children, younger, old age. Then standard of living. So living of a society. Mainly we are three categories: upper, middle, and lower. Occupation. So we are in India. We know the so many occupations is there: farmer, engineer, doctor, lawyer, then teacher, etc. Then religion. So we are demographic environment. We are also dividing based on religion basis, such as Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainist, and Buddhist, etc. Rural and urban. How many people are staying in rural areas? How many people are staying in urban areas? How many villages are there? How many cities are there? So we are knowing. Then education, family life cycle, nationality, etc. A business needs to know its demographic environment, well to tackle and meet its demand, well and adjust itself according to the population's demand. So throughout environment, it means demographic environment throughout it's depend on the population of demand. Then last one, international environment or global environment. In this international environment, it's related to one country to another country. Its effect on business, import and export. The international environment, it includes all the laws related to the export and import of commodities. Various international policies, bilateral treaties, special exchange treaties between countries, the international boundaries to trade, etc. So it means all the laws related to rules and regulations. It's related to export and import of the commodities or goods. So various international policies, bilateral treaties. It means one country to another country, only two countries. Special exchange treaties between the countries. The international boundaries to trade. So international boundaries say one country to another country, two or more countries in the trade, etc. It is important for any export and import business to study the international environment well in order to survive and grow in the market. So all of you students, we are well studied in the international environment. We get the more opportunity and development in the market. So, international environment includes the rules and regulations of WTO, IMF, World Bank, SAARC, G20 countries, and other international bodies which are duly affect the business organization operating their businesses in a particular country. So those are bodies andre World Trade Organization, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, SAARC. Those are bodies of international. So affect the business organization operating their business in any particular country. So those countries in a doing business international level. Today in this class we have discussed natural environment, demographic environment, and international environment. Watching